Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Jayco Restorations coming at you for a really quick and simple how-to video with how to replace the headlights on a 1994-1995 E350 Ford Jayco RV. So this is crazy, you guys. Can't really see it. They look a lot more clear than what they are in real life. These things are actually super cloudy. Don't have a lot of transparency when I'm driving at night. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is just pop the hood up here and get ourselves situated. And it's really easy to replace these headlights. It's actually kind of mind-blowingly easy. So what we're gonna do is, you've got two clips. You can see that I've already released both of them, but you're gonna go ahead and push each clip back and then pull it up, and you're going to see that it actually releases here as you pull it up. You're going to do the same thing on this side. You're going to push it back and you're going to pull it up. I had to pry a little bit on this one, and then once you have done that, you're going to see that the entire assembly is going to come straight out of the vehicle. Therefore, all you've got to do is loosen. And for me, I'm going to replace this entire OEM assembly. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and release the headlight, and then I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the assembly from the back, and I'm going to pop the new headlight in. So let's go ahead and head over and I'll show you the part number, what we bought, and what it costs, and all that good stuff. And then we're going to go ahead and just pop the new one in. All right, so here you can see that we've got two brand new headlight assemblies. You can tell that they're aftermarket. You got some shine on the back. But we got these from Amazon. And these babies were $70 total for two or for both. And then actually we've got our part number right here. So you guys have got two brand new headlight assemblies. Oh, that's nice. You can actually see through these. Actually going to be able to see the headlights now, which is super nice. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and pull off all the wrapping on these. I'm going to get these set and ready to go, and then reinstalled in the vehicle. All right, so you can see, just for those of you that may want a little bit more info, you can see that we've got just the twist here on here. So you basically, with the headlight in, you're going to twist it, and it's going to pop out, and the entire assembly is now free. So what I'm going to do is grab the new one, go ahead and pull off that tab, and I'm going to go ahead and pop that headlight in, and then I'll show you all how I re-secured this. All right, so you can see that I kept the OEM fitting, especially because it was a new gasket, probably from the last individual that replaced the headlight itself. And so I now have that in. It looks to be pretty secure, pretty good. Again, using the OEM just so I get that factory fit. I really don't want to have to deal with condensation in the light. These are cheap enough that I could replace them pretty quickly, but I really don't want to deal with that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and line up that bolt, that plastic fitting, and this top one through, and then I'm going to go ahead and push them, and these clips are going to re-click. I'm going to push them down, and they should be re-secured in. So you can see that I've got the brand new headlight installed. This is going to be the adjuster that I'm going to use, left, right, up and down. But you can see that both of the clips, so I pushed them down, actually grabbed a little mallet and just kind of tapped it just to make sure I didn't hit them hard, because I didn't want to knock anything off. But the headlight is now fully secure and installed. And I just want to show you guys, that was such a quick installation, and you can see that there is a major difference in between, these OEM super yellow that the video camera is just not showing, and the brand new headlight on the right. We got this side out and in. Again, you push back, pull up, push back, pull up, and this will pop out. You're going to do the same thing to this side. Push out, push up, pull up, out, up, pop it out, put it in. And these are now good to go. I've got to say, that's one thing that I love about vintage and classic vehicles. They just don't make things like this. They don't make things this simple, hopefully is cheap. These are pretty cheap at this point because they're aftermarket, most likely from China. They don't make things as user-friendly as they used to. We got another vintage rig over here, and we decided to add another one to the fleet to work on that's a little bit smaller and going to be easier to drive. So I am a huge fan of the vintage and classic because you can work on them yourself. And as you just saw, I mean, I'm making a video, so it probably took me 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops to replace. But if I were doing this without a video, I could have replaced the headlights and the bulbs in less than 5 minutes on both sides. All right, y'all, if this quick video was helpful, if you like the content that you saw, hey, do us a favor, hit us a like and a subscribe, and we will be doing more to this vintage RV coming in later videos. All right, y'all, have a great one. Hyder Restorations out.